This is your 3D shape test. Please make sure your name and your date is on the top of the paper. We have 4 different sections in this test. Remember, you can always pause as you're writing down your answer, and you can rewind to rewatch the directions again. The first section says, are these shapes 2D, flat, or 3D, solid? So I have 6 shapes here. I have 2 choices, flat or solid, under each shape. You're going to choose one of those that matches each of those shapes. So here I have a rectangle. Is that rectangle flat or solid? Next I have a cylinder. Is the cylinder flat or solid? I have a cube. Is that cube flat or solid? I have a circle. Is the circle flat or solid? I have a pyramid. Is the pyramid flat or solid? And I have a triangle. Is the triangle flat or solid? Make sure you've circled only one choice for each of those shapes, and then we can go on to the next section. The next section says, color the shapes that make up the given shape. So here I have a shape on top, 2 shapes that are colored, and then I have 6 choices that are black and white down below. You're going to take your pencil and you're going to lightly color in the 2 shapes you see that make this shape up here. So find the 2 shapes down here that make that picture up here and lightly color them in. And we're going to do the same thing for this one over here. Here is my shape that's given. I'm going to look down at my black and white shapes and shade in the 2 shapes that make that shape. Make sure you only color 2 shapes in both of those. So 2 for this one and 2 for this one. Moving on to section 3, it says, fill in the number of faces, edges, and vertices of the given shape, of the shape given. So over here, I have the shape pyramid. It gives you a picture of what the pyramid looks like, so you can reference that. Then over here, I have 3 blank lines. You're going to tell me how many faces that pyramid has, how many edges that pyramid has, and how many vertices that pyramid has. Make sure you have one number for each of those lines. So again, faces, how many faces the pyramid has, edges, how many edges it has, and vertices, how many vertices it has. Then the last section, you're going to see your teacher. It says, name these shapes to your teacher. So you're going to tell her what those 4 shapes are called.